Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up Zelle with Bank of America. So let's jump right in. Start by opening the app on your Android device or even on your computer through online banking. Once you're logged in, tap on the Pay and Transfer option, which is usually located at the top or bottom left corner of the screen. From there, select Zelle in the middle of the screen to get started. You'll have the option to either send or receive money. Tap Send, and then choose a contact from your list or manually enter the recipient's name, email address, or mobile number. You can even split a bill if needed. After selecting the person you want to pay, enter the amount, let's say $25 in this example, and tap Continue. Review the details, then confirm to send the payment. If the recipient is registered with Zelle, they'll receive the money instantly and get a notification via text or email. The transaction will appear right away in your account history, making it a quick and seamless way to send money.